Hi everyone, my name is Parth Sahani and welcome to Daily Apple Sessions. In this new series, I'm sharing a nugget of inspiration and insight every weekday, Monday through Friday, to help you get further on your success journey and design an exceptional life for yourself. So, let's get started. I have this easy button that I got from Staples and I keep it on my work desk. It reminds me that I need to find ways to make things easier for myself. Oftentimes our mind complicates things and we overburden ourselves with our work tasks and other obligations. Things are not as difficult as we think they are. If we face a challenging task, we can chunk it down into smaller pieces that are easy for us to tackle. We humans think that working hard is the sure shot way to success. So without planning or strategizing, we dive in and often that leads to disappointment due to lack of progress. Many times we procrastinate because we need the deadline fuel to rocket our efforts. We reaffirm to ourselves and others that we only perform well under pressure. I've been there and it can work like magic, but we end up paying heavy costs as well. Easy has been defamed and equated with laziness. This is false. Easiness can propel efficiency. We just need to figure out what our level of easiness is and then go from there. Often the problem or obstacle that we are facing seems daunting and we see it like a giant monster that we need to tackle. But once we begin, we realize that things are not as difficult as we thought they would be. It was simply focusing on the problem, getting familiar with its aesthetics, having an appreciation for it, and finding a strategy to tackle it one step at a time. It's like a mine. We go inside it where the situation is not ideal. It's dark and dingy, but soon we get adapted to it and are able to find the gold and hidden gems that can make the rest of our life easier. Once we get started and get the momentum rolling, things get easier with time. Things are supposed to be easy and effortless so that we live a life filled with clarity and peace. And if they are not, we always have a choice to find ways to make them easier or switch to a different path that is easier and better aligns with us. Go for the path of least resistance. It's worth it. And keep reminding yourself whenever you are done with a seemingly heavy-duty task, the wise words, quote, "That was easy."
That was easy.
Don't work hard, work smart, and let your easy muscle get stronger with time. Easy is all about having a rich focus, better alignment, and unshakable confidence in ourselves. We don't need to take care of each and everything that comes our way. We can let most of them go and focus only on the things and skills that come easy to us and are in sync with our genius. Our journey will become easier and much more fruitful. I hope you enjoyed that insight. If you want more ideas and insights rooted in personal development, philosophy, and timeless wisdom, in fact, a calendar worth of them, I encourage you to get my new book, The Daily Apple: 366 Meditations on Growth, Persistence, and the Art of Exceptional Living, that I'll be releasing on August 18th at your favorite bookstore. Like an apple a day that helps you become healthier and vital, each meditation has been designed to offer you positive information and inspiration to nudge you a little towards your better, wiser, and more well-rounded self every single day. Thank you for your time and attention, and I'll talk to you soon.